Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. Do I look like a mess? A little bit. Am I in my PJs? Yes, I am. But listen up, it is holiday season and that means it is a time for gift giving. Now, I'm a little bit of a psycho, so I've been planning and buying my gifts for months now, but I know not everyone is as psycho as me. This is a little bit of a crazy behavior, and I know some of you might be last minute holiday shoppers, which probably is why you've clicked on this video right now, because you're freaking out and you can't think of any single idea to give to your loved one. But fret not, because today I bring you guys a few easy and quick ideas that you can spend as much money as you want on and that you can literally go out and purchase right now. These ideas will get you out of a pinch, but they're also great gifts, okay? They're also great gifts. They're thoughtful gifts, and some are pretty unique gifts. I have something for everyone. I have a little bit of fashion, a little lifestyle, obviously a little bit of beauty. I have it all, and I'm ready to share it with you guys because I know you need my help. So without further ado, let's get to the gifts, shall we? The first gift idea I have for you is a facial or a massage gift card. Now, I know some of you guys might say gift cards are impersonal, like I don't want to give a gift card to someone, but listen up. We all have that one friend who's into skincare or just likes to take care of themselves. We have those friends who work out or maybe are super stressed. And a gift to treat themselves sounds like a dream, right? Like a facial or a massage is a great experience. You're gifting an experience, not just like something material. You have the flexibility to choose when they want to get this done. They can pick whatever they want to get done. Like, it is a very customizable gift, and the people actually have the control. It's not like I'm giving them, you're gonna go get this facial or this massage on this day. Give them a gift card and they have full control of it, which, it's something that people appreciate. This is a gift that I have purchased for people, and I cannot wait to see their reactions because it's also like a way of treating themselves. Like, you're treating them, but they're also treating themselves. Sometimes people want to get a facial or want to get a massage, but they don't want to take the plunge, and this is a perfect incentive to do it. Even though it's a gift card, not a lot of people are gifting things like this, and I think, the gift of wellness and of taking care of one's body should be gifted a little more often. Gift idea number 2 might not be as original, but I still think it's something that people will love and appreciate, and that is a reusable film camera and some film. I haven't used a film camera in ages, since I was like 7 years old, so it's been a while, but I know they're back. I know film is trendy, everyone's sharing it on Instagram, so this is like the perfect gift for your friend who's always going on trips, who has a fun life, who likes going out and documenting things. Or even if you have a friend who already loves film but is using only like disposables, you can buy the disposable camera and then just use the film and throw out the camera. You could give them an actual camera. It doesn't have to be super expensive. There are a few on Amazon that I love. I'll obviously be linking everything down below, but there are a few on Amazon that aren't too expensive and that you can reuse. So it is a very like environmentally friendly, dare I say, gift, but it's also saving your friends or your loved ones some coin. This gift I think is perfect for everyone. Like, it's a fun gift for everyone to receive. Obviously, like, read the room depending on who you're giving this to, but for the most part I think any like teenagers or people who are really into their Instagram and their image or whatever, which is a lot of like younger people now, they're gonna love a gift like this. So if you have a teenager in your family who you're gifting to and you're like, what the hell do I give a teenager who I know nothing about? This is the one to go. Or if you're just, wanting to give the gift of memories, this is a great idea for that. The next gift idea is a little bit self-indulgent, and it is books. Now, books can seem like a really complicated gift to give to people, and some people might not be readers, but hear me out because you could go 2 different ways when it comes to gifting books. The first one is if you have a book lover friend, loved one, whatever, then it is very easy to give them books because maybe you also love books and there's maybe a book you've been wanting them to read for a while and they're not listening to you. You can gift them that. If you talk about books constantly, you could do like a book club kind of situation where you buy the book for them, you buy the book for you, and then you're like, let's get together and discuss. That is also like adding on to the gift, and it makes it a little bit more personal. If you're not a book lover and you're gifting to a book lover, one hack that I can give you is to go on their Goodreads. And Goodreads is basically a website where they can like log their books, comment, whatever, but they can also have a selection of books they want to read, like a list. You can go there, check off a few of those books, buy it for them, wrap them up in a pretty bow, and your gift will most certainly be a hit because, trust me, book lovers will obviously love receiving books that they don't have to pay for, you know what I mean? If you're gifting to someone who is not a book lover, but you still want to give them the gift of books, then I recommend a coffee table book. Coffee table books have gotten super popular over the last few years, and the great thing about coffee table books is that you can get big ones, small ones, affordable ones, expensive ones, and you can virtually get a coffee table book on anything. Like, I have a few makeup coffee table books. They're like those big books that you can use to decorate. If you're gifting to someone who loves food or loves cooking, you can get them like a beautiful coffee table book on food, on restaurants. You get them a cookbook. You can get a coffee table book on architecture, on fashion, on basically anything. If you have friends who are moving into apartments or kind of redecorating, or you just have that aesthetic friend that is so cool all the time, like coffee table books will always be a hit with them. You know, those Azuline books that are super popular from different major cities around the world. Everyone's getting those, and it is a pretty expensive book. So if you want to treat someone, I say go for something like that, but you don't have to spend a ton of money to find cool, like coffee table books that people will appreciate. Up next, we're moving into a little bit of beauty. I always say this great gift idea is gift a lipstick kit. Now, I know some people obviously love beauty like me, but also in the grand scheme of things, even people who aren't obsessed with beauty every single moment of their day, they also wear lipstick every once in a while. You know, I personally know my friends who don't wear a lot of makeup whenever they're going out or whenever they want to look made up. They'll do very minimal makeup, but what they'll do is add a red lip or a pop of color or something, and that's them. You know, like, I'm made up, I put on makeup today, so everyone can appreciate a good lipstick, which is why I love gifting lip kits. You could also really customize those. It doesn't necessarily have to be lipstick. You can get lip kits, you know, there are lip kits at Sephora, at Ulta, at Target. You can virtually get them anywhere, and you can get lip glosses or tinted lip balms or sheer lipsticks, depending on who you're gifting to. You can really customize that. It is really all about how you approach the situation, but I think lip kits, not only are they a great bang for your buck, but people tend to love them. And if you have stocking stuffers, you do that with your friends or your family, you can get a big lip kit and just divide it and save some more money. So overall, I think lipstick kits are a total hit. The next gift idea is a little bit more traditional. I don't know why, but I just think it's a great idea, and that would be gifting socks or scarves. For some reason, as we get older, we love receiving scarves and socks as gifts. It's not just me. I know a lot of people who are thrilled to get these things. When you're a kid and someone gives you socks, you're like, thank you. What am I gonna do with this? I really wanted a Barbie or whatever. You know, when you're a kid, you don't really appreciate those things. But as an adult who is constantly losing her socks in the washer dryer and just repurchases the 10-pack of Hanes at Target, I really appreciate a good pair of socks. They can be an accessory. You can go as crazy as you want. You know, you can get glittery socks for someone, or socks with dogs for someone who loves their dog and wants to literally wear them on their feet. Same goes with scarves. Most of us will probably use a scarf at some point in the year. I don't live somewhere that it's super cold. I live in the tropics, but sometimes you want a scarf to accessorize. Or when I'm traveling, I want a big chunky scarf to keep me warm. I know a lot of people, when it's winter, in the northern hemisphere, you guys wear scarves all the time, and I think they're so cool. So investing in a good scarf or socks for someone, I think is just such a nice gift. You can even go super luxe, giving cashmere socks, or, you know, depending on your budget. Uniqlo, I know, has amazing scarves and socks. They do pretty simple designs, but they also have a few that are a little bit, you know, crazier, and they're at a pretty affordable price point. I also love Everlane. I think they're not as affordable. They're kind of mid-range, and if you really want to go crazy, then I recommend doing a Ganni scarf or an Acne Studio scarf. I think they're cool. They're a way to treat people. It's something not a lot of people will buy for themselves. They're really good quality, and a lot of the times they come in cool colors and designs. So depending on your budget, you can definitely find something that will make a great gift. Again, we'll link all my ideas down below. Scarves and socks, man, there's just something about them that we appreciate. Okay, this next gift I also love and would love to receive is this gift guide, basically me telling people what I want for Christmas. Maybe, probably, but a good planner / diary, journal, whatever you want to call it, and some pens. Mwah. Beautiful combo. This is the perfect gift for your friend who's very organized, who's a planner like me, who's always, writing things down in their notebook, who's very visual about things. Like a little like notebook planner thing and some pens will kill with them. I think even for your friends who like have been wanting to get their shit together a lot more. New Year's is notoriously famous for making people want to set goals and get organized and like headstrong into the new year, and I think this is a great way to do that. And you can basically find like planners, journals, etc. everywhere. Like you can get them at Target, Amazon. I recommend though that you go the extra mile and look for the ones that are unique. I'm gonna link some down below, but I know Papier, they sell so many amazing like notebooks, journals that have prompts in them, like gratitude journals and stuff, which I think could also be great like for your friends who are very into wellness and who are very mindful. I think that's also a super cool gift. So I know you can find a lot of like good ones there. Gift people these things, but gift it to them in a way that is so unexpected. Like sure, we can all go down the aisles at Target and see these like planners and be like, that's so cute, and then you get them and you're like, oh my god, I saw that at Target, cool. But if you go the extra mile and really scour the internet or wherever, like I know bookstores have amazing selections, like paper stores and places like that have really good selections of cute notebooks, planners, pens. If you go the extra mile and look for the ones that not a lot of people have seen and you gift it to someone, they're gonna be so surprised, they're gonna be so appreciative, like, oh my god, I've been wanting a planner, but this is gorgeous, like where did you get it? Like it's super unique, and it makes the gift feel a little bit more personal. Same with pens, like you can get them a super nice pen to write on if you know they like writing, or if they're more like artistic, you can get them like the cool gel pens that we all used to use in 5th grade. Get as creative as you want with this gift, but I think it's a great one for the people in your life who are less digital and like to visually lay out things and like write them out. I think this can be a very, very cool gift. This next gift idea might be a little controversial in the beauty world because I will be talking about some Glossier gift kits. I don't hate Glossier. I'm just not a big of a fan as I was a few years ago. I think they have amazing products, but not all their products are for me. I know a lot of us in like the beauty community feel the same way, but for some reason, people who are not part of the beauty community, people who just wear their products every day just to, get ready, love this brand. And I think it's a great brand for the people who don't wear a lot of makeup. So maybe like your friend who's very minimalistic, or a teen in your life who just loves Glossier, because Glossier is still cool. Like, let's admit it, they are a cool brand and people want to have this cool brand. I have actually gifted Glossier before. It's been a hit, trust me. Like Glossier makes it so easy because they have kits, like they have pre-made kits that you can get. So depending on who you're gifting to, you can gift them like 2 blushes or like the mascara, the brow tint, and a lipstick, whatever. So depending on your price point, how much you want to give, and like who you're gifting to, you can really choose the sets that are best for your gift. Also, if you don't know like what the person would love, Glossier also makes like a makeup bag that is gorgeous. I love it and I wish I had it. It fits so much inside of it and it just looks cool. We can all do with a makeup bag, so I think it's also a great gift for a beauty lover or just a regular person who wears products. But yeah, Glossier, I think it's a brand that's very well known that maybe some people just don't want to purchase because it's not as easy to get as like just going to Sephora or Ulta and getting like your staple products there. So this could really be like a treat and you'd be like killing in the gift department. And we're closing out this gift guide with yet another gift card. Again, I know it sounds impersonal, like why would I just buy a gift card? Listen to me. Coffee shop gift cards. Not a revolutionary concept, but a lot of people do not gift this, and I think it's a great gift. We all love just going to cafes, working, having our main character moments like, ooh, I'm a freelancer, I'm working at a coffee shop, I am so cool. We all like to do that. Millennial, Gen Z, everywhere in between. We love coffee shops. Some of us love coffee, some of us just like going there for the vibes. And I think, whenever you're going to a coffee shop, you're spending money on a coffee. And I can't think of a better gift than getting free coffee. You know what I mean? Like, that just sounds great to me. I've actually gifted my sister coffee shop gift cards. Like, I found her favorite ones. She lives in New York currently, so it's very easy to find the ones that are close to her and the ones that she prefers. And so I'll give her like a gift card for that and she will thank me. So just find your loved one's favorite local coffee shop, get them a gift card if they sell them, and just make their coffee shop dreams come true. Also, if your loved one has like a coffee station at home, maybe they have like a Keurig, they're super fancy and they have an espresso machine, you can also get them a gift card to buy like their beans or whatever. I know Chamberlain Coffee has gift cards so you can buy their merch on their website, but you know, you can also buy like the beans and stuff. So that's another way to like go at it if your loved one doesn't usually go to coffee shops, but I think this is a great gift. Not enough people think about it. Sure, you could give someone a Starbucks gift card, but like it's Starbucks, you know, we all love it, but we all want to do better than that. So let's aim higher and you'll see how people love your gift. And if all else fails, you've gone over my last minute holiday gift guide and you're not convinced, I have a bonus tip for you. Browse people's Pinterest. This is what I do with my sisters all the freaking time. People are usually pinning the shit that they want, like the life that they want to have, the outfits that they want to have, sometimes even the literal products that they want. And this makes your life so much easier because it's like a cheat sheet. You literally know what people want. Like if you see someone that's been pinning a lot of like shelfies and there are so many Byredo candles in each of them, you know, like, okay, this person might want a Byredo candle. Or if you see a lot of like outfits and every single one of the outfits that they've recently pinned, they're wearing like a purple shirt or like orange stockings or whatever, you're like, okay, I'm sensing a pattern here. This person might want this. And it's literally like the easiest way to go about finding personalized gifts for people. If the person that you're gifting to doesn't have a Pinterest, I am deeply sorry because this is such an easy way to discover what people actually want for Christmas. So if the person you're gifting to has no Pinterest, just ignore this tip. But if your person does have Pinterest, girl or guy, whoever you are, I just saved your life. Trust me. This is a tip that will work forever. It will work forever. Birthdays, holidays, especially if you're a boyfriend who wants to give something to your girlfriend and you're like, what do I give her? Pinterest. Pinterest. That's all I'm gonna say. And that, my friends, is it for today's last minute gift guide. You can get all of these, like all of these are very flexible gifts. You can get them at any price point, whatever you want to spend. And you can also get them immediately. So if you're pressed for a gift and you need it for tomorrow, you could literally go to the store and get it right now. Or if you have a little bit more time, you can order them online. Some of these can even be e-gifts. So you will be set. It doesn't matter if your Secret Santa holiday party is tomorrow or in 2 weeks, you'll be set because these gifts are super quick to find and they're pretty accessible wherever you live. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed and found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other last minute gift ideas that kill it, then please leave them down below. I'm pretty sure we'd all use some more ideas. And if you are like me and you've already found all the gifts that you want, these can be self-gifts, baby, or add them to your list of ideas for next year's holiday gifts. I am here every single week, you guys, so if you'd like to subscribe, buttons down below. I post a lot of real beauty and makeup content with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled in, so if that's something that you're into, please subscribe down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Happy holiday season. Bye. Mwah.